Today we'll talk about how can you find recently view on your Redfin app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click here on my Redfin, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Then you click here on recently viewed, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find all recently viewed you have here. I have not recently viewed yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.